Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited to be partnering with Yitahome. Yitahome is a home furniture slash decor store, and today I have a beautiful 70-inch TV stand that I will be unboxing and assembling with the help of my wonderful boyfriend. I hope you enjoy the video and let's get started. What we're going to be building. The TV stand is done. This is how it looks with some little decorations on it. I love how it came out. It looks so pretty and it matches my apartment so perfect. It was pretty easy to assemble and the instructions were pretty clear. If you're interested in this product or want to check out the Yitahome website in general, I have a 20% off discount code that you can use. I'll put it here on the screen and I'll also have it in the description box. This offer is only available on their website and the coupon code is valid site-wide. I'll also have the link to this in the description box as well. That being said, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you have a good day. Bye!